Matthew chapter 1 verses 1 to 25. Matthew chapter 1 verse 1. The book of the generation of Jesus Christ, the son of David, the son of Abraham. Matthew chapter 1 verse 2. Abraham begat Isaac, and Isaac begat Jacob, and Jacob begat Judas and his brethren. Matthew chapter 1 verse 3. And Judas begat Phares and Zara of Thamar, and Phares begat Esrom, and Esrom begat Aram. Matthew chapter 1 verse 4. And Aram begat Aminadab, and Aminadab begat Nasan, and Nasan begat Salmon. Matthew chapter 1 verse 5. And Salmon begat Booz of Rachab, and Booz begat Obed of Ruth, and Obed begat Jesse. Matthew chapter 1 verse 6. And Jesse begat David the king, and David the king begat Solomon of her that had been the wife of Riaz. Matthew chapter 1 verse 7. And Solomon begat Rehoboam, and Rehoboam begat Abia, and Abia begat Asa. Matthew chapter 1 verse 8. And Asa begat Josaphat, and Josaphat begat Joram, and Joram begat Ozias. Matthew chapter 1 verse 9. And Ozias begat Jotam, and Jotam begat Achaz, and Achaz begat Ezekias. Matthew chapter 1 verse 10. And Ezekias begat Manasseh, and Manasseh begat Amon, and Amon begat Josias. Matthew chapter 1 verse 11. And Josias begat Jechonias and his brethren, about the time they were carried away to Babylon. Matthew chapter 1 verse 12. And after they were brought to Babylon, Jechonias begat Salatiel, and Salatiel begat Zorobabel. Matthew chapter 1 verse 13. And Zorobabel begat Abid, and Abid begat Eliakim, and Eliakim begat Azor. Matthew chapter 1 verse 14. And Azor begat Sadok, and Sadok begat Acham, and Acham begat Eliad. Matthew chapter 1 verse 15. And Eliad begat Eleazar, and Eleazar begat Matthan, and Matthan begat Jacob. Matthew chapter 1 verse 16. And Jacob begat Joseph the husband of Mary, of whom was born Jesus, who is called Christ. Matthew chapter 1 verse 17. So all the generations from Abraham to David are 14 generations, and from David until the carrying away into Babylon are 14 generations, and from the carrying away into Babylon unto Christ are 14 generations. Matthew chapter 1 verse 18. Now the birth of Jesus Christ was on this wise, when as his mother Mary was espoused to Joseph, before they came together, she was found with child of the Holy Ghost. Matthew chapter 1 verse 19. Then Joseph her husband, being a just man, and not willing to make her a public example, was minded to put her away privily. Matthew chapter 1 verse 20. But while he thought on these things, behold, the angel of the Lord appeared unto him in a dream, saying, Joseph, thou son of David, fear not to take unto thee Mary thy wife, for that which is conceived in her is of the Holy Ghost. Matthew chapter 1 verse 21. And she shall bring forth a son, and thou shalt call his name Jesus, for he shall save his people from their sins. Matthew chapter 1 verse 22. Now all this was done, that it might be fulfilled which was spoken of the Lord by the prophet, saying. Matthew chapter 1 verse 23. Behold, a virgin shall be with child, and shall bring forth a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, which being interpreted is, God with us. Matthew chapter 1 verse 24. Then Joseph being raised from sleep did as the angel of the Lord had bidden him, and took unto him his wife. Matthew chapter 1 verse 25. And knew her not till she had brought forth her firstborn son, and he called his name Jesus.